Welcome to the TriNix classroom. Today's lesson is on long division with 3-digit divisors. In this lesson, we will also cover rechecking long division with multiplication and by casting out nines. To solve the problem 97,385 divided by 152 as smoothly and efficiently as possible, we will first gather our 152 multiplication table. If you are this far in your long division journey, the steps should be easy to remember. However, we will add them to the lesson as a reminder. Our first step is to divide. Because we are working with a 3-digit divisor, we will first determine if the first 3 digits of the dividend are divisible by the divisor. 973 is a higher number than 152, which means it can be divided. We explore our 152 tables for the multiple that comes closest to 973 without going over. 152 times 6 equals 912. This is the closest multiple, which means that 973 can be divided by 152 6 times. We place 6 on the quotient line, being very careful to line up our digits correctly. The next step is to multiply. We will multiply our divisor by the digit we placed on the quotient line. 152 times 6 equals 912. The answer goes below the dividend, lined up under the digits we first divided. The next step is to subtract the answer we placed below the dividend line from the digits in the dividend that it's lined up with. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 7 minus 1 equals 6. And 9 minus 9 equals 0. Our next step is to bring down the next digit in our dividend that we will be working with. We will bring down 8 and reset our steps. Now, we will divide 618 by 152. By checking our multiplication table, we can see that the closest multiple to 618 without going over is 608. Because 152 times 4 equals 608, we know that 618 divided by 152 will give us 4. We will place 4 above the quotient line and move on to the next step, which is to multiply the new digit above the line by 152, which we know is 608. This answer goes below the number we just divided, and now we subtract it from the same. 8 minus 8 equals 0, 1 minus 0 equals 1, and 6 minus 6 equals 0. We bring down the next digit we are working with in our dividend and reset our steps. 105 is smaller than 152. This means that 105 can be divided by 152 0 times. Because we are unable to divide after bringing down a digit, we will put a 0 on the quotient line and our remainder of 105. Our final quotient is 640, remainder 105. Let's recheck our long division problem using multiplication. We will multiply the quotient by the divisor, then add the remainder. The answer should match our dividend. Let's get started. If you are challenged with multiplication, kindly browse this channel for a help video on the same. We begin by multiplying 2 by the digits on the top, then 5 by the digits on the top, and finally 1 by the digits on the top. Now that we're done with the multiplication, we will add our answers. Finally, we will add the remainder to 97,280. Once the answer to our multiplication problem matches the dividend in our division problem, we know that our quotient is correct. Let's double check the same problem by casting out nines. For this, we will need our quotient, divisor, dividend, and remainder. There is a help video on casting out nines on this channel. Feel free to go by and review it for more help. The formula for casting out nines is A times B plus C equals D. A will represent our quotient, B will be our divisor, C will be our remainder, and D will be our dividend. Let's get started. The difference between casting out nines and the multiplication method we did previously is in casting out nines, we first simplify each term. We do this by eliminating 9 or any digits that equal 9. Then we add all remaining digits in the number until we have a single digit. Our quotient has no nines, and no two digits equal 9, so we add the digits all together. 6 plus 4 plus 0 equals 10. We still don't have a single digit, so we add 1 plus 0, which gives us 1, which we place in the quotient slot of our formula. Our divisor also has no nines and no two digits equal 9, so we add the digits together. 1 plus 5 plus 2 equals 8. We place 8 in the divisor slot of our formula. The remainder has no nines and no two digits that equal 9, so we add 1 plus 0 plus 5 together, which gives us 6, which we place in the remainder slot of our equation. Finally, we come to our dividend. There is a 9 here, so we will eliminate it. No 2 or 3 of the remaining digits equal 9, so we add them all together. 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 equals 23. 2 plus 3 equals 5. We place 5 in the dividend slot of the equation, and now we can solve our problem. 1 times 8 equals 8, and we bring down the rest of the equation. 8 plus 6 equals 14, and we bring down the rest of the equation. We need a single digit, so we will add 1 plus 4, which gives us 5. With both sides of our equation being equal, we are assured that our quotient is correct. And that does it for this lesson. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos.